Hi guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can let the other person will only hear a translation of what you say during a call and not your voice on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then, tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. In here, scroll down and then tap on Advanced Features. Next, tap on Advanced Intelligence and then tap on Phone. Next, we scroll down and in the Me section, you want to tap on Mute My Voice. Tap on the toggle button and switch this on. When this is turned on, the other person will only hear a translation of what you say. If you want to allow them hear both your voice as well as the translation, then you can switch this off. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.